Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Dstv and Gotv on one cable. Okay, so you are to do an installation whereby they have already laid one cable, and you are to connect or install Dstv and then Gotv, and then you use just one cable. So this is how you should do to get all of the signal. Okay, you will need two diplacer. Okay, two diplacer. Diplacer have a satellite port and then an antenna port. Okay, so two diplacer. This is how you should connect it. Connect the cable from your Dstv LNB or your dish onto the satellite port of the diplacer, and then the cable from your antenna, which is from the Gotv antenna, onto the antenna port of the diplacer. All right, so it's like this, and then here connect the cable that they have already laid, or connect a cable to your decoder destination. So it's like this, and then connect the other diplacer. You need to turn it upside down like this. Okay, the other diplacer here, and then you have to split the signal to each decoder. Okay, so one cable at the satellite side and then another cable at the antenna side. So the satellite side for the Dstv and then the antenna for the Gotv, and it's gonna work right there. Okay, so simply like this, from one diplacer to another diplacer, and then you spread the signal out there. All right, so if you find this video helpful and today's been your first time watching me on this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. All right, thanks for watching. Bless.